Today we're making Caesar salad Nan's way. So if you want to know how to make the best Caesar salad you're ever going to eat, you can throw in some chicken if you like. Today we're just going to have that without the chicken. And
just a typical Caesar salad.
Just a salad. Just nice,
simple,
quick, easy.
Simple.
Not too hard, but we're doing it Nan's way.
You want to show them what
yeah, so what have we got here?
This is the bread. It's a Vienna. So
Vienna bread.
Yes. And you cut it thick and then cut it into squares, and then you fry it or put it in the oven. This is bacon chopped up, ready. Beautiful. This is red onions sliced thinly.
How do you get the onion to be like where's the middle bit?
That's the middle bit.
But a whole onion.
This is the end bit. That's only half of it. This is pecorino cheese, which I love using. We'll mix it with
is that grated or like?
Yeah, I bought it like that, ready. Mm. Yeah. And this is Parmigiano Reggiano, which I do at the end of the salad. I just do it with the peeler. And this, we've got to cook the eggs with cold water.
So we're going to...
Cold water, and then we put the eggs and cook it for 10 minutes.
So is this like hard-boiled eggs?
Yeah, hard-boiled eggs.
Right.
Maybe not so hard, but anyway, we'll see what happens.
A little bit hard. Just putting some eggs into the water.
I like putting eggs with my Caesar salad, but I like doing that. So that's 10 minutes from cold water.
Right. And then the oven goes on to what? What are you setting the oven to?
It's not the oven, it's the clock. 10 minutes.
Oh, your timer. Cutting bread to make the little croutons to go into the salad.
I've got to put some salt and pepper and fry them in hot oil.
You can put them in the oven, but this is quicker, just to fry them in a little bit of oil.
I'm turning them till they're golden brown. Okay, so these are nice and golden.
Yeah.
So you have to put them in another dish to cool down, right down, cold, so that they become crunchy. And you can store them away if you want, if you made a lot. Frying the bacon. And we put the bacon in.
Mm-hmm. I'm personally not one to eat salad.
Pardon?
I don't actually eat salad on its own.
Yeah, she's a funny girl. She doesn't eat this, doesn't the other. Not like me, I eat everything.
Nan really wanted to make the Caesar salad, so I said, of course, you make the Caesar salad your way. I'll have some chicken that she's not putting in the salad. So how much bacon did you do?
A lot.
You do a lot so it's tasty?
Mm. Oh, it's got to have a bit of substance in it.
Yeah, so you can't be stingy on the bacon. Otherwise, there's just going to be no flavour. It's going to be crap. No one wants crap. No crap here.
Okay, now while that's cooking, we'll make the Caesar salad dressing.
I thought that's what I thought we are making the Caesar salad.
Dressing.
I heard you.
Okay. We put the whole egg mayonnaise.
How many?
Well, I think we put about, I don't know.
That's 4, 5. She's eyeballing it. 6.
6, I think 6 for now.
6 tablespoons.
I never measure anything, so. And so this is the Worcestershire sauce. So we put a little bit of that. So this is full of anchovies, you know. A lot of people don't realize that. Anchovies, fermented, yes.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know.
And I put it in my shepherd's pie.
There you are, Sarah. Amazing.
Maybe it's a big difference between eating an anchovy.
And we
compared to
put
the
a
sauce.
bit of Tabasco, pepper sauce.
She's eyeballing it, guys, so just take note. No real measurements here, just throwing it in.
Some salt.
Interesting.
And pepper. Sarah loves pepper.
The eggs are ready.
Are they?
I'll just pretend I'm doing something.
And we put cold water
Probably going to tell me off.
with the eggs.
What did you do today, Nan?
Well, I went shopping 7 o'clock this morning, waiting for...
What is even open at 7 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, I went Woolworths. And I couldn't find gem lettuce, baby, because I love using these.
Gem baby.
Coles didn't have it. The fruit shop didn't have it.
Isn't that
I
cos?
went to Woolworths.
Isn't that cos lettuce?
Baby cos lettuce.
So what did you call it? Gem?
Because it's a gem one. It's very small. It's beautiful. Water. Let them stand for a minute.
So what have you done? Put the dressing in the bowl?
Dressing in
a
the
little
bowl.
bit.
A little bit, and put some more.
Why are you putting a little bit at a time?
Because to make sure that every leaf's got a bit of dressing.
How long are the eggs going to sit in that water?
Oh, 5 minutes. The rest of the lettuce.
Tea and cucumber. Nice mix.
Yeah, for you. Yeah. Okay, so you make sure every leaf is covered with the sauce.
I just don't understand.
What you don't understand?
Like, why do people just like to eat salad?
I won't go into that, Sarah, because everything, you should eat everything, a balanced diet, and
I'll eat lettuce
good
in
for
something,
you.
but like...
So this is pecorino. I'm putting it...
That stinks, man. Is it meant to smell?
That's not nice, Sarah. What stinks?
No, it just smells like strong cheese.
Oh, come on. It smells beautiful.
Oh, that's a lot of cheese.
Let's put some more. Okay, so that's that's that one.
And what's happening with the bacon?
Now we put the bacon in.
So what's the other cheese for? You put it on the top?
The other one, I shave it. I shave it and put it on top. So now we put the bacon in.
All of it?
All of it.
I thought maybe you leave some for garnish.
No.
You never know.
No.
And how come you're not having chicken in it?
Because I haven't cooked it. I didn't know what you really wanted, the chicken on its own. I usually cook it separate, and then I serve it on the side. If I've got visitors and I want to extend it, I put prawns
In the chicken?
in the salad.
Without, just on its own?
What do you mean?
Like the prawns and the chicken, or just prawns?
Yeah, well, you can put the prawns and the chicken.
Ooh.
Okay, and you mix it up a little. And now we put the onion.
So does the red onion fall off like that when you cut it?
Sorry?
The red onion. I've never cut a red onion.
No.
Why is it like round? You know when you cut an onion, it's like a whole slice?
No, you can cut it. Even an onion you can cut like that, Sarah.
I must be just living under a rock.
Yes, I think you have been. Okay, so we're dishing up the salad. Right.
Do you think that a lot of people use that much cheese?
Yes. Taste, Sarah. Taste.
How about these eggs? Can I start trying to peel
Oh,
them?
yes. Come on. Jeez.
Do I take the water out?
Yes, please. So get one, put it there. Yeah, no, it's okay. You can start peeling it.
That's what I was about to do. Why are you laughing? Is this not how you do it?
Yes, that's how you do it.
Very tedious. Oh, look, it's actually coming off it pretty. Oh, I'm taking a lot of the
Oh,
egg.
my God. Just be gentle. Okay, so now we shave the Parmigiano Reggiano.
I saw something about how to get the shell off easier.
Oh, well, that's supposed to be the easiest one.
Now I can't remember what it was. If anyone knows what the easy way to take the shell off a hard-boiled egg, if you can put it in the comments to let me know, because I'm sure I've seen another way to take the shell off. Why you laugh? I swear.
Are you imagining me?
No, I swear. I think I saw it on Instagram or TikTok.
What have we heard? Oh, my God.
I'm like a 5-year-old.
Hit it right on the head, Sarah.
Jeez, you're
So
so
that's
nice.
the eggs. To me, with the eggs, the Caesar salad is complete. This is a bit squashed. Oh, I wonder why. I don't know.
I'm trying my best here.
Oh, you are.
It's not my fault that it's all coming off with the shell.
Well, they should be right because they're very fresh eggs.
Well, let's see how you go. You might be there for 100 years trying to do perfection. I just call it what it is.
Yeah, of course.
It's just going to go in your mouth anyway.
Okay, well, you know, you've got to present food nicely because, you know, looks is...
I swear there was a really easy way to take in the shell.
yeah, I don't know
What
why.
was it?
You want to look up Google?
Google.
Okay.
Alexa,
Okay.
what's an easy way to take the shell off a hard-boiled egg?
To remove the shell, gently tap the egg with cold running water as you peel off the shell.
Hold it under cold water as you peel off the shell.
That's what I did.
No, as you peel off the shell.
No, they've been on the cold water for a while, so should have been right. Anyway, so we just put a bit of salt on the egg. Just working. Was closed.
All right, last step. What is it?
Croutons. They're very crunchy.
And cold. They're cold
And
now.
they've got to be cold, yeah. So put them around. Go and turn the thing off, Sarah.
I'm all right.
please. You're carrying on.
Same story every time.
Anyway, you can put as much croutons as you want. You can put them in a bowl and people can help themselves.
And this is Gigi's non-chicken Caesar salad.
Enjoy.
Amazing. Well done, Nan.